Hello, my beautiful friends. Welcome back to my channel. If you are new here and you're watching my video for the very first time, my name is Priya. You all know that my channel is about beauty, fashion, and lifestyle, and I have been focusing on makeup as I absolutely love makeup. But today, I will be shifting gears a little bit and will be sharing with you guys some of the lifestyle habits that changed my life. So before we get started, don't forget to like, share, subscribe, and hit the bell button. Before the pandemic, I had a very different morning routine, but after working from home and being in quarantine for straight 3 months, I knew things had to change. So the very first thing which I changed was waking up earlier than usual. After turning off my alarm, I stretch and meditate for 15 minutes. Meditation has been practiced for thousands of years to help bring balance into people's lives. It is a wellness practice that has been proven to improve focus, reduce stress, and contribute to a range of health benefits. For me personally, this has helped me to stay focused and calm throughout the whole day. This has improved my life big time. If you're someone who is starting a meditation, it's easier to actually just start by practicing it for 5 to 10 minutes first, or even 5 minutes. I usually go on YouTube and search for meditation music, and I take deep breaths and I focus on my breathing for at least 15 minutes. Dress up. Yes, a lot of us still work from home, and some of us have also started living in our PJs. Yep, that was me during the very first 3 months of quarantine. And being in my PJs all day made me feel very unorganized, demotivated, and to some extent really frustrated. It felt like I had nothing in place. After meditation and shower, I take my time and dress up. Dressing up automatically boosts the mood and overall confidence. For me personally, it makes me feel happy, motivated, and ready to tackle my day with positivity and a smile. Another thing which I have been practicing for years is journaling. Yes, before I start up my work and before I go to bed, I journal for 10 minutes with a cup of tea. Now, journaling can be done for many things. For me, I like to write down 3 things which I'm grateful for. For example, I'm grateful for the life I have. I'm grateful for the work I do. For many are jobless. I'm grateful for everyone who has been in my life and for the love we've shared and the lessons that were taught. I also plan my day as well. Journaling helps me prioritize clarify thinking, and accomplish the most important tasks and the urgent busy work. Tim Ferriss calls journaling the deloading phase in life. He explains, I use it as a tool to clarify my thinking and goals. And guys, it works, especially for me since I love to be in control and on top of my schedule. Then I start off my day with healthy breakfast. It helps kickstart my metabolism, helps burn calories throughout the day, and also gives the energy that I need to get things done. So there you go, guys. These are some of the habits which has really helped me improve my life and changed my life. Hope you found this helpful, and like usual, if you love the content I create, don't forget to like, share, subscribe, and hit the bell button. Thank you for watching.